Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic keyboards with the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard. If you spend long hours typing away on your computer, this might just be the keyboard you've been searching for. Let's start with the standout feature of this keyboard, its split design. As you can see, it's designed to position your wrists and forearms in a natural, relaxed position. This can help reduce strain during those long work or gaming sessions. But that's not all. It also comes with a soft cushioned wrist rest. This feature allows you to comfortably rest your wrist and forearm while typing, making your work easier and more comfortable. And speaking of comfort, the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard has built-in 4 foldable legs, allowing you to adjust it to your preferred typing angle. Whether you like it flat or at a slight incline, it's got you covered. Now, let's talk about setup. It couldn't be simpler. Just insert the nano USB receiver into your computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop, and you're good to go. No need for any pesky drivers. Plus, it has an impressive wireless range of up to 33 feet or 10 meters, giving you the flexibility to use it from a distance. But that's not all. This keyboard also offers quick access to common functions with its hotkeys. You can easily control volume, playback, and even adjust screen brightness right from the keyboard. It also includes arrow keys and a number pad with an ergonomic design. Now, let's talk about typing experience. The Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard features whisper-quiet, low-profile keys. This means you can type away without disturbing those around you. Plus, the keyboard has a scissors kick construction, built to withstand over 3 million keystrokes. And here's the cherry on top, the built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It's got an industry-high capacity and can last for an impressive 6 months on a single charge. That's based on 2 hours of non-stop use per day. So, there you have it, folks. The Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard is a game-changer when it comes to comfortable and efficient typing. With its split design, wrist rest, easy setup, and long-lasting battery, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their typing experience. That wraps up our review of the Arteck Split Ergonomic Keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.